right, let's prepare for guided meditation now. Let's sit upright as is comfortable for our bodies. And let's take a nice, long, slow, cleansing, deep breath together. Breathing in. And as you exhale, just think of letting go of tension, stress, and strain held in the body. Just let yourself relax now. Our goal is to be as still as we possibly can, so the mind can become calm. We can begin to tune in to that presence, expressing in and through and as us. So let's mentally suggest to every muscle to relax and let go. Starting at the feet, sending the message, relax, relax. Moving into the calves, relax, relax. Relaxing behind the knees, where we sometimes hold emotions. Relaxing the thighs. Allow the pelvic area to relax, the buttocks to relax. Let your abdomen and stomach relax. Relaxing your hands and fingers, your forearms, your biceps and shoulders. Move awareness into your neck, relaxing the front, the back, the sides. Relax the muscles in your chest and in your back. Let go, let go, let go, let go, let go. Good. Bring awareness to your jaw, relaxing the muscles in your jaw, relaxing the muscles in your face, your eyes, your ears, your nose, your lips, your tongue, your forehead, your scalp. From the top of your head to the bottoms of your feet. Letting go, letting go, letting go, letting go, letting go. Relaxing. And now scanning your body. Just looking to see, is there still some place in my body that feels a little tight, a little tense? Gently tense that part of your body and then relax and release. Let go. There's a Sanskrit word for prayer, palal. P-A-L-A-L. Which means to behold oneself as wondrously made. Now, to some that may sound sacrilegious, to behold oneself as wondrously made. But it really isn't sacrilegious at all. You are an expression of the activity of spirit, as we've been saying. So when you behold yourself, your true self, you're beholding spirit. You're part of God. You're part of the universe. Just like a wave is part of the ocean. When you get still and quiet, you tune in to the infinite resources of your being. The power, the peace, the poise, the joy, the life, the healing, the renewal, the comfort, the love. All that the universe is, all that spirit is, you tune into. You behold yourself, the image of spirit, as wondrously made. So often we think of prayer as looking out there somewhere, asking this presence outside of us to do something for us. Now, there's nothing wrong with that. However, the deeper truth is that Spirit resides within and as you. Be still and know, as the psalmist said. Tune in to the presence, beyond words, beyond thoughts. Commune with the source. And that's what we're doing in this guided meditation. We're remembering, there's a Sanskrit word, smriti, S-M-R-I-T-T-I, which means remembering. We're remembering who we are. God being God as us. So I invite you now to quiet your mind further, maybe by watching your breathing, maybe by including a mantra or an affirmation, synchronizing it with your breath, maybe visualizing some pleasant scene in your mind. But let's focus the mind, let's quiet the mind, and let's now enjoy the silence together. Silence within, the place where we connect with Source. In the stillness now, in the silence. And from this place of knowing the truth of who we are, we know the truth for our friends and family members, because this truly is the greatest help we can offer. It's to knowing the true reality of each person, seeing them as God sees them, seeing them as they really are, knowing that you too are a spiritual being, having a human experience. And let us join together knowing this, not only for loved ones and friends and family, but for every person on the planet. Let us know that all of creation, the animals, all the vegetation, all the flowers, oceans, the rivers, the mountains, the valleys, the trees, the plants, all life on the planet is all part of this one presence. And I'm going to invite you to be a blessing in a little different way this morning. And it's to be a vehicle through which energy flows by chanting that wonderful sound of Om, O-M, Om, which is the same as Amen. It's the creative sound, the creative vibration of the universe. If we could hear that vibration creating life, creating humans and animals and the earth and the solar system and the galaxies, if we could tune into that presence, we would tune into the Om. So I invite you to magnetize your hands to be an instrument through which healing energy flows by rubbing the palms together. And now we're going to hold the palms up and we're going to chant 3 times the sound of Om. Feel the energy flowing through you as you do this. Together. Peace. And now we become aware of the sounds around us. We become aware of the ground beneath us, moving toes, feeling the chair, moving fingers, letting our eyes adjust to the lighting in the room where we are. And we go forth now, letting God be God in us, allowing this new consciousness that we just opened ourselves up to manifest through us, as us, and into our world. And so it is. Amen. Thank you for meditating with me. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more meditations as they go live. Click above for a list of previous meditations so that you can meditate with me on your own time, anytime.